What if waste didn't just disappear into bins and landfills? What if it became data? What if it powered new value? That's the promise of smart waste management, a next-gen system for tracking, sorting, and transforming waste into resources. In the circular economy, waste isn't a problem, it's a design signal. And smart systems are how we listen. Let's break it down. Smart waste systems use technology to collect, measure, and manage waste more intelligently. This includes smart bins that monitor fill levels, sensors that detect contamination, RFID tags that track containers, AI that sorts materials in real time, platforms that analyze waste flow and efficiency. It's about turning trash into information and using that information to improve every part of the system. Let's walk through the core benefits. Real-time monitoring. Smart bins notify collectors when they're full, reducing unnecessary trips and emissions. Cities like Barcelona and San Francisco use this to optimize routes. 2. Intelligent sorting. AI-powered systems now recognize and sort recyclables more accurately than humans. This increases purity, reduces contamination, and boosts recycling rates. Source-level accountability. With QR codes or RFID, households and businesses can track what they throw away. This encourages better behavior and enables reward or penalty systems. 4. Predictive analytics. With enough data, we can predict waste peaks, plan capacity, and redesign packaging or products upstream. It's waste prevention through insight. Let's look at examples. Evreka and Bin E are startups deploying smart bin tech to monitor and optimize collection. AMP Robotics uses AI and robotics to sort recyclables at high speed. Recycle Track Systems offers real-time tracking and carbon reporting for commercial waste. Even fast food chains and retail stores are using smart bins to measure food waste and improve operations. But it's not just about efficiency. It's about value. Smart waste systems help cities reduce costs, improve recycling rates, cut emissions, engage citizens, and they help businesses comply with regulations, meet ESG goals, identify circular opportunities. To make this work at scale, we need digital infrastructure, public-private partnerships, open data standards, privacy and ethics safeguards, and we need to design for it. Smart bins work best when products are labeled, sortable, and modular. That means better design upstream and better data downstream. Here's the big shift. Traditional waste systems are reactive. Smart systems are proactive. They don't just clean up the mess, they prevent it. They make the invisible visible. And in doing so, they unlock circularity at scale. Because once you can measure it, you can manage it. And once you can manage it, you can improve it. This is smart waste management. This is how we digitize the loop,